I welcome you all to today's lesson, and these are exam questions that I want to answer. So, where you are facing some challenges, make sure that you understand this is calculus differentiation. So, all these questions are falling under differentiation, derivative of ax to the power n, and the chain law. So these are the questions that I've gathered from different past papers. So let's see how we are going to answer these particular questions. As you can see, the first one there is coming from 2022 paper 1. That is ECZ, Examination Council of Zambia. So that is a question. We've got 2022 paper 1 GCE. This is a question. We've got 2017. So all these are exam questions. So each and every question that I'm going to revise with you here, they are all coming from exam past papers. So hope you've seen these questions the way they are. This is how they were phrased. So, but the main thing here is just to understand that we are told to differentiate. So I'll start with the first question. So I'll start with the first and second question. So I'm going to write them here. So you are given that one. You are given y is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. This is what you are given. You are told to differentiate. So if you are told to differentiate, it is just the same as you are told to find dy dx. So dy dx is equal to, so if you've been following me, I believe you know what happens. You multiply this times that is 4x, then power 1 there. Have you seen power 1? Minus, here there is power 1. 1 times 4, that is 4. X, there is 1, then you say minus 1. Have you seen? So even there, maybe there is someone who is behind. There is a 2, then you say minus 1. We always subtract 1 from the power. Then under differentiation, you cannot differentiate a constant number. You can't differentiate a constant number. So you just leave it like that. Finally, your answer dy dx is equal to, this is 4x minus 4. I believe we all understand. This part here, it will be 4x power 0. You know that anything less to the power 0 is 1. So this is the same as 4 times 1, which is just the same as what? 4, which is that 4 that I wrote there. So this is what you are supposed to know. This is what you need to understand. I move to this one here, this one, which is like this. Y is equal to 4x 3 minus 3x squared plus 5x. You are told to find dy dx. This is equal to, you are multiplying power times coefficient. Power, you remove 1. So this is 12x squared. I've removed 1. Minus 2 times 3, that is 6x, like that. If you differentiate this one, it is just 5. I think you are even able to see. This one was just 4x. It came out as 4. This is 5x. It is just the same as 5 after the differentiation, because you are going to have 5x power 0. Then you know that anything less to the power 0 is equal to 1. So it's just the same as removing a x power 0 there. So these are the answers. These are the solutions. I believe you are able to see how I'm able to answer these simple questions. We move on to the other questions. Let us move on to the other one. So this is y is equal to 1 over 3 x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x. How can you differentiate this particular question? You just say dy dx is equal to, when you multiply here, 3 times 1 over 3. What is your answer? 3 will be cancelled. So just remain with the x. We remove 1 there. 2 minus 2 times 5, that is 10. So 10x. Remove 1 means 1 minus differentiation of that, it is 2 when you differentiate that. So this is your answer. So if you are taught to differentiate 10x, dy dx is what? Is 10. If you are taught to differentiate, negative 2x, y is equal to negative 2x. You are taught to differentiate. So dy dx is just the same as negative 2. This is what you need to do. I believe you are able to follow through. You are able to understand these questions. So this is what you are supposed to do and get. We move to this particular question that is a bit challenging, but it is simple as long as you've understood the indices like this. How can you differentiate this particular question? Have you seen there is x there? X should go on top there. This is the same as y is equal to x plus 4x to the power negative 1. So this one and this one, they are just the same. This one is written in positive index. I've written this one is in negative index so that I manipulate the numbers very well. So I say dy dx is equal to dy dx, differentiation of that is 1, because I'm going to have x power 0. 1 minus 1, x power 0, which is just the same as 1. So I put a 1 here. Then negative 1 times 4, you get negative 4. X maintains. Then negative 1 minus 1, it is negative what? 2. We get negative 2. We can now rewrite this part properly, where we say that this is the same as dy dx is equal to 1 minus 4. That one goes down, it becomes x squared, like that. So these are the solutions. This is what you need to do. So this is how we are supposed to answer these particular questions. These are simple questions. I know you are able to answer these questions. We move on to the other one, which is falling under chain law. So this is y is equal to 2x plus 1, like this, power 3. How do you differentiate this? So I'm going to give you the easiest way in which you can differentiate this. Dy dx is equal to, this is a simple way. Just get this one. Here there is the number, there is 1 there. 3 times 1, it is 3. You write this function, 2x plus 1, like this. There you remove 1, you say minus 1. So it becomes a 2. You say times, differentiate what is there. This is what we were doing. So this is the simple way. Differentiate what is there. How can you differentiate that? You cannot differentiate this, but just 2x. 2x, it is 2. Like this. So once you differentiate what is just there, you differentiate 2x plus 1. So dy dx of that is what? Is 2. This is the 2 that is here. So then you multiply. So dy dx is equal to 6. 2x plus 1 cross 2. This is your answer, as simple as this. So this is how you needed to work out these things. These are the procedures that are supposed to be done. As simple as this. This is what I wanted you people to do. This is what I wanted you people to answer questions like this. So this is a public video. I believe there are people that are watching this that are not under my online lessons. But if you want to be part of the class that I'm helping mentally, you can get in touch with me. WhatsApp me on this particular number. We offer online tuitions at an affordable fee. It is just 100 kwacha for mathematics. If you want science, it is 100 kwacha, but if you are running both mathematics and science, it is 180. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.